Here's how you can set a PIN password and have it enter without the need of tapping OK. This is the S24 Ultra with Android 14 One UI 6.0, and let's get started. When you're ready to do this, go ahead and use the quick panel access, and you'll want to go into the settings right there. Once you're here in this section here, go down on your S24 Ultra main settings, go down to security and privacy right there. And of course, if you haven't set up your lock screen yet, you'll need to go to lock screen right here. And then you'll go to where it says screen lock. And now when you are in this part here, the only option that gives you the entering your password without pressing OK would be the PIN option, okay? The others I'm not sure of. They never did have it, and hopefully they give it to you at some point. Of course, for the pattern, you don't need that. But anyways, so we'll tap here now one time, and you'll notice it says at least 6 digits. So what happened after the Android 14 update, things change and it's no longer 4 digits. You'll need to put in 6 digits to get that option, all right? Now you'll go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna put this light security option here just to show you how it works. And notice when it reached the 6 number, it gave me this option. And make sure this is confirmed, okay? Then you'll go with continue, and then you'll have to put it in again. And then once you're done, you can save it as that, and it's going to work, okay? I'm not gonna go ahead and set this up yet, but I was just showing you how this is gonna work. Now, one thing to note, others said that there's another way around this to get into the 4 digits, but I wouldn't really play around with that, because if you accidentally get through with it and a number didn't go in and you forgot what number that was, then you won't be able to get back into your phone again if you don't know the password, and you'll have to factory reset that, okay? So don't try anything unless you really know what you're doing, but for now, stick with the 6 digits. Trust me on that. Like and sub.